Hey, this is Lori from Glenwood Springs Ford. Let me take you on a tour of this 24 Edge that just came out of our service loaner program. We're offering it back to the public on our pre-owned lot now at a discount, plus it may qualify for Ford incentives. This is the SE model in iconic silver. It has a 2-liter EcoBoost engine. It is an all-wheel drive vehicle, seats up to 5 passengers nice and comfortably. This has a fantastic backup camera on it. And you also got your roof rack rails on the top. These are 18-inch wheels. And then taking a look inside here, we're gonna find cloth seating. Nice space, great leg room, air vents for passenger comfort too. And then heading up front, we have manual seating adjustments. Taking a look at the mileage, it's only 4,535. And we also have some great safety features, from that pre-collision assist up to driver alert, cross traffic alert, and blind spot detection too. Going back to the steering wheel, we're gonna find cruise control on the left, voice command, telephone, and audio on the right. Heading to the center stack, you're gonna love this setup with the dial shift. This S in the center gives your car a little zip. And then inside here, you can charge up your cell phone by plugging in, and that's just a great place to put it while you're driving. It also fits very well sitting upright inside here. Now, you notice that there's not a lot of buttons right here. That's because most of it is now into the touchscreen. This is Sync 4 technology. You'll find all of your climate control at the bottom. You have options for different apps, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Also entertainment apps where there's some fun games. And there's even, let's go back to this main section here. There's even a sketch pad. So I drew you a little smiley face. Hope you have a happy day.